Life, so fleeting. Such a moment that breaks your heart. And then what? Stay. Stay close to the opening, as that is where you remember the tenderness of this human life. No, nothing is permanent, nothing is forever. Maybe except one thing: the pouring of love, the pouring of loss, the possibility at each moment to choose this human love that is not permanent. And yet, in that one single moment, as short as an inhale and an exhale, can remind you of the miracle it is to feel it all, to be it all, to live it all, to live. As to fully live is a choice, but most time from an open and broken heart, because right there, the sweet tenderness of human beauty will catch you, and for once, you will be available to receive it, and only then will you be available to truly live it, becoming the embodiment of human love. As divine you were, you are, and you will always be. Soften, you're held, you're loved, you are right where you need to be. May your heart remember what it is to be truly human, and so it is.